Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through the Golden Triangle area in St. Andrew, Jamaica. We're actually in the Ligonier area. We are on Seymour Avenue heading towards Hopefield Avenue. And this is the area they call the Golden Triangle. Now this part of Ligonier has the most townhouses slash apartment buildings or complexes you're going to find anywhere in Jamaica, especially in the Kingston and St. Andrew area. Golden Triangle, the lots are huge, so you find a lot of apartment buildings in this area. Outside of this area, the only other place that has this kind of or this number of apartments is probably Millsboro. So we're going to take a tour so you guys can see what a Golden Triangle looks like. And to give you an example of how big the lots are, okay, on the right you can see some other complexes we were talking about. On the left, not sure if you can see it, it's an open lot, but this was actually 3 lots that the company bought, and they were to develop a massive apartment building on it, or a massive structure, but it hasn't started yet. So almost every building or every lot on this road is an apartment building, or when we say apartment, a gated community complex of some sort. And there are some huge complexes, meaning a lot of apartments or townhouses in them. Okay, so take a look at this lot on the left now. You want to see how big they are. And this must be more than one lot because it is huge. Okay, this is Hopefield Avenue now, and you're gonna see even more. Alright, so this is Hope Road now. So we just turned into the Sandhurst area now. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.